Hi, this is Paul from countrycraziness.com, where we test the tools we use and the toys we play with. My newest toy is my U.S. General cart. Got this at Harbor Freight on sale for $189. Just took the top off, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to put this thing together and then we'll take a look and see how it looks. Now we're 2 nuts short. The lid support is missing 2 nuts. Other than that, the nuts are there.
See all these holes in here? Well, we didn't really realize, but these back ones, Harbor Freight screwdrivers fit into perfect. But worst comes to worst, if the ones you already own won't fit in there, you have a space between here and bigger holes. So you can fit them all the way between the smallest to the biggest and they don't drop through and they got enough wiggle room, they'll still fit. But let's say you want to go grab a screwdriver, you just go, hey, I want that one. And you just go grab it. It's pretty slick for Harbor Freight, I give them credit. That's awesome. And the lid still clears.
So here's what we did and didn't like about the Harbor Freight toolbox. First of all, what we didn't like. Even though the bubble wrapping around the cross braces of the box were very secure in its packaging, there still were a few chip marks in it. Not down to the bare metal where it would cause a corrosion problem, but just enough that it causes some scarring. Something that your wife might see, like mine did. The other thing that we didn't like was the box is fully assembled when you get it. You put together the stand, 2 people lift it up, put it on the stand, bolt it on, and you're done. With it fully assembled, the lid, I don't know if the hinge was a little bit cocked or what, but it catches on the one corner when you open up the lid. It certainly doesn't cause any problems. You don't have to struggle with it. It's not a deal breaker, but it is something that, you know, it just isn't the way it should be. Something I'd take back to the store? No, no way. It's not worth it. It does just a fine job. Now let me talk about the things we did like. First of all, the assembly was super easy. My son and I did it together in about a half hour, made a little nice father and son project. We drank a few beers and had some fun. The bags, the box came with just 2 bags of fasteners in it. One bag was just for the casters, so there were 16 fasteners in there. The other bag contained the fasteners for every other part of the every other part of the cart being put together. So it was easy and quick. We didn't have to look at different lengths of fasteners and separate nuts and bolts and washers. It made it real easy to put together. The other thing that I really liked about it, or one of the other things I really liked about it, was the padding in the drawers. Nice thick pad in each drawer inside the top lid and on the base of the cart itself. This seems like not a big deal, but I bought a $1,000 Sears toolbox a few years ago that had no lining in the shelves at all. I had to go out and buy the lining, cut it, put it in. It was a pain in the butt and it was expensive. So it's a nice touch to have that. And I noticed a lot of toolboxes these days, more and more of them are including that as a standard feature. The other thing that was really good about the unit are the catches on the shelves themselves, on the drawers. You can push this unit up and down a barn or a garage or something, and you're not going to have to worry about those drawers popping open and your tools coming out. Really, I think the hardest thing about the whole project was deciding which color to get. As you can see, there's a color for just about every tractor that's out there. We don't have a tractor purchased yet. It's not going to be green. We don't know what color it's going to be and exactly what make and style. That's going to be for episodes next year as we go through the winter and think about that whole that whole thing. But blue's a nice color. I was just kidding about the green. It goes nice with green also. But inside our white steel barn with some touches of red, it's going to be kind of a patriotic little theme. The box fits perfectly in between two of our overhead doors. There's about 4 feet between each door. The thing tucks in there quite nicely. It doesn't take up a lot of space. Overall, I got to give this unit a thumbs up. Well done, Harbor Freight. This is Paul from countrycraziness.com. I hope you enjoyed this review. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and we'll see you in our next episode. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.